Hello, my paper peeps. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 scrapbooking trends you'll want to try. Whether you're a seasoned scrapbooker or just starting out, there are always new and exciting trends to try in the world of paper crafts. From scrapbook albums to unique embellishments, these creative ideas will take your scrapbooking game up a notch. In this video, we'll explore 3 of the latest and greatest scrapbooking trends that are worth trying out for yourself. So get ready to let your imagination run wild with color schemes, layouts, and more. The first trend I'm seeing is the rise in subscription boxes, which I find is so exciting. If you're a scrapbooker, or even if you just love to be crafty, you'll want to try some of the new subscription boxes that are becoming popular. With these boxes, you'll get everything you need to create beautiful scrapbooks all in one convenient place. Plus, it's a great way to try new products and find new favorites. Last week, I was gifted the scrapbooking box from Grabie, which is an online art supply store that specializes in scrapbook and journaling supplies. So today I'm so excited to try this kit out. Let's get crafting. Now I love how they sent me this mini journal. It has all these pages I can embellish, but I love how it has this cord binding system that I can use as a binding system for more sheets of paper like the specialty paper they include in their kit. By the way, if you purchase anything from their site, make sure you use the discount code Christine15 to get 15% off. Their stuff is so amazing, so go and check them out. I have no idea how they knew what to send me. It's so fitting that everything in this box coordinates with the scrapbook journal project I just launched a week ago, the blush collection. The next trend I want to highlight is the art of using postcards. Postcards are a great way to add a personal touch to your scrapbooks. They can also be used to write a message or story, or even just to add a photo. In my new paper line, I not only use postcards as a way to catalog memories, but I also use recipe cards. This printable is also from the blush collection, and I call this the recipe reels. These are recipe cards that have frames on the back for you to publish memories and your thoughts and feelings. I love how Grabie's products allow me to embellish with so much ease. Here I'm using their stencils and the art strips technique to embellish this card. Because this is meant to be a journaling section, using the art strips technique is what I prefer here. This is where you concentrate all your art in one corner, making sure to layer using strips to add interest without taking up too much space. These cards then go into an acrylic recipe box for future journaling. I combined the postcard pages in this collection because I felt this need to have cards to give away. I find whenever I journal, there is this deep reflection that always includes others. So I felt this need to have these cards for those moments when my soul prompts me to write a word of encouragement to a loved one. So far, if you're finding value from this video, could you do me a favor and stamp that like button so this could spread to the rest of our crafting community? I would so appreciate that. Thank you. Now, the next trend that I'm seeing emerge is this idea of what I call bookmarking. This trend involves using small decorative items as bookmarks in your scrapbook. This is a great way to add a little extra personality and flair to your pages. I started doing this a few years ago when I felt the need to embellish more. It seemed as though my love for embellishing needed to take center stage and had to be showcased in some way on the outside of the book. Bookmarking seemed to be the way I could display that creative flair. Gone are the days where my scrapbook journals look pristine and untouched. I now want to have journals that elicit an air of curiosity, almost like a foreshadowing of what is going on the inside of the book. That is why I love creating bookmarks, tags, tabs, and so much more. I'm always trying to find ways to embellish the top of my scrapbook journals. Here are a few ways I do it. For a decorative tag, tab punches are my way to go. Here I'll show you how I create a paper tab out of tab punches. You can also use magnets as a way to adhere tabs to. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in more scrapbook ideas, ones that you haven't probably seen yet, then you'll want to watch these videos where I show you how I jazz up my scrapbook journals using different techniques. I hope to see you in those videos. Take care and we'll see you there. Bye!